Hello everyone! The plugin displays a list of elements that are directly placed into the main frame during this phase. These types of objects will be ignored in the exported results. To avoid losing these elements, click the Fix button. This will add a frame around the selected object in your Figma design. If your layout becomes messed up after clicking Fix, use the Undo button to reverse the change, or you can ignore the frame in case you want to add that element manually in WordPress by yourself. Upon selecting the Rescan button, the plugin displays a list of frames that have been ignored or any elements that have been added to the design after optimization has started. For objects that are placed directly in the main frame, we advise adding a frame. The background color must be applied either after the frame is added or after auto layout conversion. If the background color is not applied, the background may appear white in the exported result. You can set properties like width, padding, or any other you want. Let's check the result. As we can see in the backend, added frames are converted into containers as we cannot place any widget without containers in Elementor. These frames converted into containers carry CSS properties like background color, width, and padding that we applied in Figma.